Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn session 2 of module number 10. Alright, in today's session we will be studying prepositions. Okay, now what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions are nothing but position words. You have already studied them in your previous classes. Right, my dear children? You might have studied it in 3rd standard, 2nd standard and even in 1st standard. Right? So, first of all, we will revise some position words that we have already studied and then I will teach you some new position words. Okay, my dear children? So, let us begin with our prepositions which we have already studied. Let us revise that. Okay. Now, first is in. Now, you already know the preposition in. Now, can you see this bowl? Right? Now, here is the chalk. So, I have removed the chalk from it. So, it is out of the bowl. Right? Out. And now, I will keep it inside. So, what it is? In. It is in the bowl. Right? Out, in. Okay? Next is behind. Behind means at the back. Now the board is behind me. Right? This board is behind me. Means it is at the back of me. Right? And I am in front of the board. Right? This is the board and I am standing exactly in front of the board. Okay? So understood the meaning of behind? Alright. Next is next to. Now next to means at this side. Okay. Now I am standing here. Right. Here is a whiteboard. So I am standing next to the whiteboard. Okay. Or you can say that this green board is next to the whiteboard. Or this whiteboard is next to the green board. Okay, my dear children. Next. Next is on. Now, on means when we keep something on the surface. Right? Now, this is a duster. Right? And this is a chalk. Now, I have placed this chalk on the duster. Where is it now? On. Alright. Next, above. Now, above means at a higher level. Now, here is the duster. It is at the height, right? And if I place this chalk here, means the chalk is above the duster. Alright? The chalk is above the duster. Next is beside. Beside means same as I have told next to, and beside means at the side. Alright? Means I will give example of this chalk. So, this chalk which is in my right hand is beside the chalk in my left hand. Alright. For example, I will draw something. Now, this is a tree and this is a tree. Now, both the trees are beside each other. Alright. Next. Next is under. Now, under means below, or you can say under means it is, I will show an example. Now, this is a book, right? And this is a marker pen. So, I will keep the marker pen here. Now, where is the marker pen? It is covered with the book, right? So, this marker pen is under the book. Okay? And if I hold it here, then it is below the book. Alright? Below means at lower level. As I have shown you the example of duster and chalk, the same way, now the duster is below the marker pen and marker pen is above the duster. Okay? Let us see the next. Next is at. Okay? Now, do you know the meaning of at? Yes, my dear children. At is also a preposition which shows where the exact place is. Okay? It is used to show the place. Now, next is around. circling something. Okay. Now suppose here is the ball. Okay. And there are stars around the ball. Can you see here? This is the ball and there are stars around the ball. Means the ball is encircled with the stars. Alright my dear children. Let us see the next near. Okay. Now this is the duster. This is the marker pen. Again. Now this marker pen is near. Means it is closer to the duster. But if I hold it here, is it nearby to the duster? No, it is not near. It is far. So near, far. Alright. Next is at the side of. Side of means to be at the side. Okay. Next, between. Now my dear children, I have drawn these two trees. Right. Now I will draw a small tree. So the small tree is between the large trees. Alright. The small tree is between. Between means in middle. Okay. So the small tree is between the large trees. Next, over. Over means above. Alright. Next, below. I have told you the example of below. Right. And in front of. As I told you that I am standing in front of the board. Okay my dear children. So, now we will see some new prepositions. Means some new position words. So let us see here. First is among, among. Now what do you mean by among? It means to be along with or surrounded by several things, people or objects. Okay. Means to be surrounded with some things. Means many things or many people or many objects are there along with you. Okay. Means for example, I will show the picture. Can you see here in your workbook? The hen is surrounded by her chicks. Okay. So the hen stood among the chicks. Next example, can you see there are white sheep and black sheep. So the black sheep stood among the white sheep. Next is the child sat among his toys. Now there are toys surrounded by the child. Right my dear children, can you see in this picture that the child is surrounded by the toys. Next, the child sat among his toys. Now let us see next, with. It means to be at the same place or be doing the same thing as one or many things. It shows interaction between two or more people or things. Now when do we use with? When we are using something or when we are there with something. Okay? Means it can be one or many. And it is not only about things. It can be people or even objects. Alright? Now I can say that I am writing or drawing with marker pen. Right? Okay. Next, I'll show you some examples from the workbook. Can you see here? There are two birds. So the baby bird is flying with the mother bird. Next is the cat is playing with the ball. Next is Raju is playing with Asifa. So this is the example of with. Means to be with someone or to do something with someone. Next, to, to. Now to means what? It means in the direction of. It shows the place, person or thing that someone or something moves towards. Okay? It means in the direction of. Okay? Means if we are moving towards something or someone. Now I am going towards left and now I am moving towards my right. Okay? So, mean It means we are moving towards something, and that time we use the preposition to. To. Okay. Next, I will give you some examples. Can you see here? Reena walks to school every day. Okay. Where she goes? To school. Where she walks? She walks to school. Next, they drive to Mumbai every Saturday. They drive to Mumbai means it is indicating the place. Alright. Next, I sent the package to my mother. Means the package is sent to my mother. Okay, here we are indicating the people. Means to someone. Next is from. It is used to show place where something or someone starts. Okay. Now from where means from where it begins or from where it starts. That means that time we are using the preposition from. For example, she sent me a postcard from Switzerland. From where? Switzerland. Next is lunch will be served from 1 p.m. Next is the petrol prices will increase from tomorrow means from when it will start, that we have to say. That time we have to use the preposition from. So my dear children, I hope you have understood this new prepositions. So which prepositions we have seen today? The prepositions that we have already studied and some new prepositions. Alright, I hope you have understood today's session. If you have any queries or any problem related to today's session, you can contact me. Alright, thank you so much.